You can never have peace with God through your religious performance. You see, because your performance is up and down. When things go good, your performance is up. When things go bad, your performance is down. It's based on your emotions. And can you trust your emotions? No. No, you can't. Most Christians, I'm not trying to upset anybody, but most Christians will show mercy if a drunk person walks into this meeting. It's Resurrection Sunday, it's Easter weekend. We all understand, Pastor, thank God he's in church. Yet the same people will judge him and tell him God is not pleased with him if he shows up drunk again. Say, for instance, he comes to church, gives his life to Jesus. We're all excited. It's a beautiful testimony. 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, or a year down the line, he shows up and he's drunk again. The same Christians will tell him God's not pleased with you. Now, I'm not saying that we should allow drunk people to abuse us, hurt us. No, you all know my story, where I come from, right? That's not what I'm saying. So here's the question. Does God love the Christian who still sins? Let me ask you the same question, but in a different way. Will God stop loving you when you sin? The same grace that's extended to the stranger is extended towards you.